Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Finding discontinuities in this rational function is actually super fast if you focus on the denominator. Let's solve this tricky problem together right now. First, we need to identify where this function might break. A rational function is discontinuous whenever its denominator equals 0, so we must set the bottom expression to 0 immediately. Now, let's solve the equation x cubed minus 1 equals 0. We add 1 to both sides, which gives us x cubed equals 1. This is our main focus here. The cube root of 1 yields one real x value. Since the numerator is defined everywhere, only one point of discontinuity exists. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan now. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust conditions and check steps to find the right answer.